Hello, kindergarten! It is Mrs. Irwin. That means it's math time. So we have been working hard on our sorting. And then we started counting our sorts. So we're going to keep up with that counting. So today our I Can says, I can tell how many when 5 items are in a line and 4 in an array. We're going to talk about what an array is here in a little bit. I can compare ways to count 5 fingers. So we're going to take a look at some different things. So I have some crowns. How can I figure out how many there are? Yeah, I can count them. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 crowns. Is there another way that I could organize them to make it easier to count? I could put them in a line. So I'm going to move the same 4 crowns into a line. Okay, now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the same. I wonder if I move them again. If I put them in a 2 by 2 array. See, there's 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's count them now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's still 4. It's still the same. No matter how we move it, it stays the same. I want you to go get your bag of counters. If you don't have these, you can find some other things to count. You could count cotton balls or cereal or crackers, whatever you can find at your house. Pennies, rocks. I want you to see if you can get out 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So see if you can get 4 of something to count. If you need to go get it, pause your video, go get something to count with, and then come back. All right, we're going to make magic pets. So when I say a number, I want you to put that many out. So put out 4. Good job. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get 4 in your line? Straight across? Good work. Now we're going to move it in a 2 by 2 array. So yours is going to match mine. When we say a 2 by 2 array, it means 1, 2, and it goes 1, 2. So it's 2 by 2. So yours should look like mine. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still 4, even though they changed and they look different, it's still 4. Let's move them back to our line and see if it changes our number. Do you have your line? All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we still have 4. All right, let's push them all together. And let's add one more. Can you get one more counter or whatever you're using? Let's get one more. We're going to mix them all up in here, squish them together. Okay, now we're going to put them in a line to make a caterpillar. So can you put them in a line to make a caterpillar? Let's count how many that is. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 this time. Okay, squish them back together. Let's try it again. Put them in a line to make a caterpillar. Let's count to see if it stayed the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's still 5. We didn't add any or take any away. They stayed the same. Now I want you to take one away. So get it out of the way. Let's squish it together. All right, let's make a caterpillar. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4. How can we make it into 2 caterpillars that are the same? Just using these. I'm going to move to match them. Oh, it makes our 2 by 2 array. That makes 2 caterpillars that are the same. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job. Let's put our counters away. It's always important to make sure we clean up whatever we're using so we have it for next time. So we're going to put our counters away. And this time, out of your bag, and if you don't have this, you can use paper and pencil, but we're going to get our alphabet chart, but we're going to flip it over to where it's blank. So that's going to be our drawing board. And we're going to find our special marker that's in our bag too. So this time we're going to draw our caterpillar. So I want you to draw 4 circles in a line to do your caterpillar. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. See if you can make a 4-step caterpillar with 4 circles. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 in a line. You'll have to use a Kleenex or some toilet paper or an old sock or whatever and erase. And if you need to go get anything ever, you just pause the video and come back. Now, let's draw 1 in each corner. So I'm going to draw 1 in that corner, draw 1 in this corner, draw a circle in that corner and in that corner. You have yours drawn in your corners. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this looks really different than our caterpillars in a line, but it's still 4 circles, so it still stayed the same. We just moved them out. Let's erase again. All right. This time, let's draw 5 in a line. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It might take you longer to draw, and that's okay. That's why I wait. Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's see if we can build 5 another way. So I'm going to erase. Ready? I'm going to start with our corners again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we could put 1 in the middle. Hey, that looks like a dice. Let's count. Oops, excuse me. Let's count to see if that makes the correct number, our 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So no matter how we arrange them, the number stays the same. Make sure you close your marker and that you erase so that it's ready for next time, and put it all back in your big bag. Nice job today, friends. So you're going to go on Seesaw next and go to the next slide, and then you'll be ready to do your independent work today, the work where you practice what we just did. See you next time.